Hi guys, so we are reviewing the OOU 15 piece master line knife set today. So it comes with 15 pieces. As you can see, I love this box because it labels everything. They also label the knives in a protective sheath for each piece as you pull it out of the box. You got your sharpening rod, your sentoku knife at 7 inches, your bread knife, your slicing knife, your chef knife, your utility knife, and shears. You can even go ahead and sharpen your knives as well with the sharpening rod. On this knife set, it looks like you have a bunch of steak knives, which are really neat to have because I love myself some steak and some barbecue chicken. We also have some scissors. I use these all the time when I'm cooking. I never knew I could use scissors so much until I started cooking in the kitchen. So here are all the knives in here. They're beautiful. I love this bread knife. It's actually very sharp. And I love the white color. That's actually one of my favorite colors. I'm used to your black knives, but these are white and stainless steel. So let's have a look-see and see how they perform. So if you're like me and you like the OOU 15 piece knife set, definitely click on the link below. You're gonna love it as much as I do.